फ्रेंड्स, नमस्कार सबको। हार्दिक अभिनंदन। मैं डॉक्टर संदीप जोत ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ स्पिरिचुअल डॉक्टर फॉर होलिस्टिक हेल्थ की तरफ से मैं आप सबका स्वागत करता हूं। आजकल जैसे कि हम देख रहे हैं हमारे आसपास कोरोना के या इस तरह की प्रॉब्लम्स के केसेस बहुत बढ़ गए हैं और रिसेंटली बहुत सारी ऐसी रिसर्चेस हो रही हैं हाउ टू प्रिवेंट कोरोना दीज काइंड ऑफ डिजीजेस और कैसे हम इनसे जल्दी रिकवर कर सकते हैं। One thing is clear that corona or pandemic is reality. We can't deny that there is nothing like this because so many cases are coming. Every hospital is full, right? People are not getting the beds, people are not getting the oxygen. But what we can do, हम अपने स्तर के ऊपर हम अपने लिए और अपने लोगों के लिए क्या कर सकते हैं, उसके लिए हमारे जो नेक्स्ट सेशंस आएंगे, इस वीक का सेशन आएगा, उसके बाद के जो सेशंस आएंगे, मोस्टली दे विल बी अबाउट टैकलिंग ऑल दीज प्रॉब्लम्स। सो फ्रेंड्स, हम लोगों ने आज का सेशन है वो डॉक्टर जेपी सिंघवी जो कि न्यूरोलॉजिस्ट हैं, ही इज आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग फैकल्टी और पहले भी चैनल के ऊपर आ चुके हैं और उनकी जो टॉक है बहुत पसंद की गई है। डॉक्टर जेपी सिंघवी की जो बात मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छी लगती है वो उनकी सादगी, उनका वे ऑफ प्रेजेंटेशन, जिस तरह से वो चीज़ों को प्रेजेंट करते हैं, जिस तरह से चीज़ों को वो साइंटिफिक बेसिस से बात करते हैं। तो वट एवर ही इज टॉकिंग, ही इज द राइट कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ स्पिरिचुअलिटी एंड साइंस। वी बैलेंस स्पिरिचुअलिटी एंड साइंस वेयर वी कैन गेट अ ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन। और आज का जो सेशन है वो इसी विषय के ऊपर, प्राणायाम के ऊपर है। डिफरेंट प्राणायामास और डिफरेंट टेक्निक्स। मैं आप सबसे रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा इस सेशन को आप ध्यान से देखिए। अगर आपको ये सेशन अच्छा लगा, आपको ये सेशन मीनिंगफुल लगा, बेनिफिट लगा, तो प्लीज इस सेशन को आप अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ में, अपने रिलेटिव्स के साथ में, अपने ग्रुप्स के साथ में भी शेयर कीजिएगा। उसका फायदा क्या होगा, दैट यू कैन डू योर बिट। आप किसी की जान बचा सकते हैं, किसी के लिए हेल्प कर सकते हैं। डॉक्टर रंजन, गुड मॉर्निंग, नमस्कार, कैसे हैं आप?
गुड मॉर्निंग डॉक्टर संदीप, आई एम फाइन, सुपर फाइन।
ग्रेट।
जो प्राणायाम का रिजल्ट है, इफेक्ट है, और प्राणायाम से एसोसिएटेड जो मेडिटेशन का इफेक्ट है, रिजल्ट है, उसको मैं बखूबी एक्सपीरियंस कर रहा हूँ। डियर फ्रेंड्स, आई कीप टीचिंग मेडिटेशन एवरी डे। तो मेडिटेशन, प्राणायाम, योग, इसके अभ्यास से जो हमें आत्मबल मिलता है, भीतर से मजबूती मिलती है, फियरलेसनेस आता है, इम्यूनिटी, ऑरा, इसमें जो स्ट्रेंथ आता है, वो तो एक ध्यानी को, एक अच्छे साधक को उसमें कोई डाउट करने की कोई बात नहीं है। तो हमें समझना है योग के आयामों को, योग के महत्व को, और इसीलिए हम स्पिरिचुअल डॉक्टर्स फॉर होलिस्टिक हेल्थ पर डिफरेंट डॉक्टर्स को, साइंटिस्ट को बुलाते रहते हैं, ताकि हम सभी को जो अभी नहीं समझ पाए हैं प्राणायाम, योग, ध्यान के महत्व को, उसको अपनाना शुरू करें और फियरलेस हो जाएं। इस सेम सिचुएशन में, इस सेम पैंडेमिक में, वन कैन थ्राइव इफ दे हैव अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ योगा। यहाँ पर कितने लोग हैं जो प्राणायाम या ध्यान या दोनों का अभ्यास करने वाले हैं? चैट में यस टाइप करेंगे।
सिर्फ योग, ध्यान और बहुत सारी ऐसी चीजें प्रक्रिया हैं जैसे कि चैंटिंग आल्सो, इट्स आल्सो वेरी बेनिफिशियल, राइट? इस समय हमें सबको चाहिए क्या? हमें एक स्टेबल और शांत मन चाहिए और हेल्दी बॉडी भी चाहिए। और इसके बारे में कोई कुछ नहीं बोल सकता है। जो मेरा मेरा खुद का अनुभव है, कोई किसकी बॉडी कैसे रिएक्ट करेगी, अगर हमारा खान पान अच्छा है, हमारा दिनचर्या अच्छा है, हमारे विचार अच्छे हैं, हम मेडिटेशन कर रहे हैं, हम प्राणायाम कर रहे हैं, then there are more chances, I think personally, there are more chances that we can fight the diseases. Or uh, uh, COVID-19 is not the first one and not the last one pandemic जो आया है, इसके बाद भी आएंगे, राइट? हमें ऐसा नहीं सोचना है ये वेव है, ये निकल जाए, इसके बाद तो सब कुछ ठीक हो जाएगा, वी ऑल आर प्रेइंग, बट फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज नॉट द फर्स्ट वन, दिस इज नॉट द लास्ट वन, वी आर गोइंग टू सी मच मोर आफ्टर दैट। आई एम नॉट स्केरिंग एनीवन, मैं किसी को डराना नहीं चाहता हूँ, मैं किसी से ऐसा बात नहीं करता, ये मेरा पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस है, और जो जितना रिसर्च किया है, जितना पढ़ा लिखा है, उसके हिसाब से। सो हमें अपने आप को ही अंदर से तंदुरुस्त करना है। बहुत सारी चीज़ें कांस्टेंट रहेंगी, जो बाहर का एनवायरनमेंट है, बाहर की जो पोल्यूशन है, वो कांस्टेंट रहेगा, बढ़ सकता है, कम हो सकता है, बहुत सारी चीज़ें हमारे हाथ में नहीं है, लेकिन कुछ चीज़ें हमारे हाथ में हैं, हम उनको अपना सकते हैं, हम उनकी टेक केयर कर सकते हैं। इसीलिए हमारे आज के एक्सपर्ट डॉक्टर जेपी सिंघवी, ही इज ए न्यूरोलॉजिस्ट, ही इज आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग फैकल्टी और सहज समाधि के टीचर हैं। मैंने उनकी क्लास लगाई है, जो उनका पर्सनैलिटी है वो खुद में ही एक इंस्पिरेशन है, और जब वो बोलते हैं, बात करते हैं, उनकी बात के अंदर एक साइंटिफिक बेसिस होता है। ही इज नॉट जस्ट टॉकिंग दैट, ऐसे लग रहा है कोई बोल रहा है, इसका इफेक्ट पड़ सकता है, नहीं पड़ सकता, लेकिन जब वो बोलते हैं तो इट मीन्स समथिंग, इसका मतलब होता है दैट इट विल इफेक्ट। टाइम इज 11:11 डॉक्टर रंजन, लेट मी वेलकम डॉक्टर जेपी सिंघवी। डॉक्टर जेपी सिंघवी, जय गुरुदेव, आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है स्पिरिचुअल डॉक्टर फॉर होलिस्टिक हेल्थ के ऊपर। आप पहले तो आपका बहुत धन्यवाद, आपने इतने बिजी टाइम में से हमारे चैनल के लिए और आपके चैनल के लिए आपने समय निकाला, सर।
Yeah, thank you to the team of Spiritual Doctor for Holistic Health. I feel very proud and happy to be associated with this. 6, 7, 8 months ago when I came, I enjoyed thoroughly, and I've been following regularly. I feel it is my own home. So,
thank you, sir.
And we upfront in next 3 weeks time, we are going to complete 1 year, and on 23rd, we'll have something special on this channel, I believe. We'll wait for that.
Yes, sir. With support of everyone, 23rd May is going to be very productive and something very special.
वो हमारी एनिवर्सरी है,
and
11 to 4 we are going to listen many experts in one day.
Yes. So just to start the context, luxury is not cheap. Why I say so? You have to take something very important and thing in your life. It doesn't come cheap. And what is not cheap nowadays, and what is luxury, is our health. The corona has taught us so much in last 1 year, 3 months about health. And to understand corona, we have to survive corona. If we survive corona, we will understand health. And if we have a good health, then we can survive corona also. See, this is very, very important, because corona is a very hard task master. It is not like an ordinary nowadays teacher who are just like soft and they are very diplomatic. They don't abuse cold kids, that they don't complain. The parents don't complain to the teacher, the principal. Corona doesn't say anything like this. And in last 1 year, 2 months, 3 months or so, the maximum talked about thing is one single word, is immunity. Everybody has spoken about immunity with their own concept, misconcept. Everybody is advised from whatever to eat, whatever has to be done. Everything on the planet probably they have covered in this 1/4 year. And to continue that, I will add more things to think, but of course in a very scientific way. First of all, everybody should understand what is immunity. Immunity is a complex talk between our cells in the body and the proteins. It's a complex talk actually to defend a foreign infection getting into our body. And not only this, they will have a good memory of whatever they have defended in the past. If the same thing enter in the body, they can defend very nicely. Immediately the things will come up. In simple terms, this is immunity. And to take you further, we have to understand this body in a very scientific way, scientific perspective. You know, this body is such a beautiful thing, and it works with so much coordination. One life is not enough to understand this. The brain, the heart, the lung, the GI, hormonal system, the immune system, everything works in so coordinated way. So scientifically, this is one thing which we are going to understand. And today I am going to introduce a single very important term, that is health balancing triangle. You know, health balancing triangle, probably many people have discussed in the past, not with this terminology. Even if you know, it is not in the public domain as well. It has just come in. Health balancing triangle. The brain, the endocrine system, the immune system. You know, these three. And somebody may be wondering where is the respiratory system went off, because you are going to talk about pranayama, which deals with respiratory system and the control of respiration. Hold on. Respiratory system is the emperor. It doesn't come in the triangle. You know, it is the emperor under whom these three things are getting balanced. If the emperor is fine, the triangle is going to be settled. That is the most important context. And the next system is, this is a neurologist perspective, medical perspective. Other is the yogic perspective. In a simple word, we know the Patanjali Yoga Sutras and Patanjali Ashtanga Yoga, the 8 limbs of Patanjali Yoga, like external principles, what we call as yama, niyama, asanas, pranayam, pratyahar, dharana, dhyana, and samadhi, which these 8 limbs are there. In that, the 4th limb is the pranayam, which we are going to elaborate both what exactly is pranayam and the technical way of this and how it affects to control that triangle. And not only this, the one limb is always interacting with the other limb. Say, for example, yamas are not correct, then pranayama won't work. The external principles should be, discipline should be good. Then the internal disciplines should be good. Niyamas should be good. Then you are doing the bodily activity. Then you are concentrating. Then withdrawal of the senses. Then, in a meditative state, then become union, that is a samadhi. To come to the core issue, that is a pranayam. Pranayam, to define in a simple way, prana and ayam. Prana is life force energy. It is related to the breath, connected with the breath, but it is subtler than the breath. Ayam is nothing but giving the direction, right direction to the energy collected. Prana and ayam, or housing yourself there so that the energy is channelized. And when we talk about energies, we have to understand about few nadis, chakra system in the body. There are, commonly tell there are 72,000 energy channels. Few of them may tell it may be like Shiva Samhita, you goes 3,15,000 energy channels, but 72,000 channels are there. And the main nadis which are there, like 14 nadis, which supplies the energy to the various system of our body, right from brain to endocrine system to genitourinary system and so forth. And in that system, we have chakras, 7 chakras out of those major 108 or 112 chakras. And these seven chakras which are there, and in these seven chakras, the energy is there and it is dissipated, and when it is aligned. And one important is the Sushumna Nadi, the center Nadi, that's called as a Sushumna Nadi, the main Nadi. But why I am telling you this is to understand that when we correlate with this from the neurologist perspective, we have nervous system, neurological aspect. We have autonomic nervous system. In that, one important part is there, the parasympathetic system, and the important nerve is vagus nerve. Vagus nerve is the longest nerve of the body, which is correlated with a simple central nadi, most likely, because it is a bridge between sympathetic and parasympathetic system, and everything, many of the factors are controlled in our body with this. Not only the system, but hormonal changes, the neurochemical changes, and also stabilizing of the cardiovascular system, GI system, genitourinary system occur with this vagus nerve itself. So coming back to the pranayama where we were there, it is something which is connected with the breath or control of the breath. Now, if I start giving a discourse on pranayama in detail, different types of pranayama which are there, it will be a very long session. But whatever I am going to tell you, with that, if you inculcate, it will go a long way. If you see the topic today, pranayama in the COVID times and beyond, our human mind is mischievous and mysterious also. Why I say so? Whenever there is like COVID, you see from March till September, everybody were on their knees and back straight. The moment October, November, December, where is Corona? Let's go to the party. Let's go without mask. Everything started. Now you see what happened in the month of February last and March. The answer is there in front of you, and it is more deadly than before, breaking all the backs of the country's infrastructure. That's why I said beyond is during the COVID period and throughout your life, we have to continue this. And if you introspect yourself 5-10 years before the COVID era, you know what happened regarding our quality of food, timing, quantity, the health investment, what we have given, and also what we have done to our body. You will get your own answers in a very subtle way, but you have to introspect very honestly. So in this pranayama, if you see control of breath, there are a lot of things involved. The nostril breathing, single nostril, right nostril, left nostril, double nostril, long inhalation, long exhalation, mouth breathing, different type of breath, the Ujjayi breath, then with sound, without sound, with verbal sound or only a tonic sound. And also it has got associated with various mudras and bandhas. Mudras are various hand, compressing mudras, what we call, and also the bandhas where we lock few of the energy chakras to go inwards. So this is a simple thing. So what we are going to do is we are going to learn 2-3, and I'm going to introduce a very significant pranayama which everybody knows, but the scientific basis, and we will have a meditation also in between. Then we will understand why this meditation is very important to the current context. So coming to a simple, we know when we control this pranayama, it has got corresponding effect on the health balancing triangle. When we control the respiration, our brain and mind becomes positive, peaceful. It lets go of the tensions. The neurochemical changes in the brain, particularly the serotonin, dopamine, noradrenergic, chemicals, which they decrease in people with depression, anxiety. It tends to go back to the normal. People who are in constant stress, their cortisol level is high. Anyway, if I am stressed today, suddenly the cortisol surge will be there, but the next moment it will come down. But if it prolongs for more than 2 to 3 weeks, it's going to cause heart disease, it is going to cause diabetes, obesity, and increased chances of infection. That means it will affect the immune system very badly. And also it causes diabetes. So they are linked to each other. And when we do this pranayama, it definitely have the effect on autonomic nervous system. Autonomic nervous system will have its effect on the vagus nerve, and vagus nerve through its track, it stimulates not only various areas of the brain, but endocrine system, neurokine system, as well as the chemical system. Among the chemicals in this current scenario, we'll be describing one very important chemical named as nitric oxide. This nitric oxide, about 3 weeks ago, from now, I think 4 weeks ago, in Britain, they have tested on COVID patient a nasal spray, which contained the solution of nitric oxide. And this, of course, the spray is patented by one of the company in Vancouver. When they sprayed this spray in the nose of the COVID positive patients, in 48 hours, the nasal sinuses and the tissues around become sterilized by 95%. And in 3 days, 99% sterilization was there. It means the effect is when the person is going to breathe out, the number of bacteria which are going to a virus, not bacteria, virus which are going to come out will be less. So they are going to be less spreader. And of course, the nitric oxide has got certain properties. For the time being, you should know there is something called as nasal spray, nitric oxide, and we are going to do a meditation technique and pranayama, which will be a free nasal spray for you, and it will have the same effect as the nasal spray. To tell you a very small story, 3 weeks ago, I posted a video. It was both in English and Hindi about the nasal spray, coronavirus, nitric oxide, and nasal like this. In 2 days, about 10,000 hits were there. And Hindi, around 4,000 hits were there. And 5th day, it was out of the YouTube channel, my channel. And the YouTube channel people said that this is not scientific, and the people, local authorities and all is not recognizing this. So we have removed this. If you want to send a notice to this or reply this, you can answer in 800 words. I put up across that exactly my last word was 800th word. And it said that these are the 2 scientific evidence. In Britain, this spray has come, and these 2 articles which are there, which suggest that with this type of a breathing technique, you can increase it. What is wrong in this, you'd let me know. Because they don't answer the artificial intelligence answer. And the artificial intelligence answered that, no, we have taken a decision that we can't put you on air. But the interesting aspect is the Hindi version is still playing. There is no problem. Second thing, one of the channel has shared my video, which has almost now more than 5,000 hits. It is still there on the YouTube, and that is not picked up. And it is so interesting thing which goes. So that is a one story.
No data
So
about
in between, what we are
WhatsApp.
going to do, one.
There is circulation by the WhatsApp also, Dr. Singhvi, and that has been circulated.
Yeah.
No data about it.
Yeah, people are coming on phone from New Zealand, Australia, US, and even far off from France. I got an email from a lady who is a yoga teacher there. She wrote that I want to convert this video into French. I have studied this and it is definitely effective. It is so good. How can we go about it? And there was another person who is calling from Gujarat, Baroda, Mr. Baldev Desai, on the hospital's phone number कि मुझे इन डॉक्टर से जरूर बात करा दो, पीछे पड़ गया. तो वो जब बात कराया तो बोला कि मैं आपके बहुत कृतज्ञ हूँ, थैंक्स वर्ड बहुत छोटा होगा, हमारे पूरे कम्युनिटी ये प्राणायाम कर रहे हैं और एवरीबडी इज विद इन 2 days फीलिंग गुड. जिनको कोविड वालों को करवाया, उनका भी देखा कि उनका हाल इतना बेटर हो गया. they are feeling as if they don't have a disease. Sir, इसलिए मैंने phone किया, and I was surprised. There's another person from Madhya Pradesh government who called up, and he gave another very good idea. You know, he told, sir, हमारे मैं कैप्टन हूँ आर्मी में, मेजर हूँ आर्मी में था, अभी तो रिटायर हो गया हूँ. हमारे आर्मी वारफेयर में जब हम कुछ भी वारफेयर चलाते हैं, कुछ स्प्रे करना है, तो हाई पावर का कुछ स्प्रे करते हैं. तो जैसे लाइटनिंग होती है, जब लाइटनिंग होती है तो एनवायरनमेंट में नाइट्रोजन होता है. जब नाइट्रोजन पे जो लाइटनिंग पड़ता है, तो वो नाइट्रस ऑक्साइड और वेरियस केमिकल्स बनाता है, वो फील्ड्स में अपने खेतों में स्प्रेड होता है. वो एक्ट्स एज ए एंटी बैक्टीरियल प्रॉपर्टी और उसको फसल उगने में हेल्प होता है. सर ऐसा कुछ कर सकते हैं, स्प्रे बना सकते हैं, पूरा प्लांट में छिड़का दें इसको, नाइट्रिक ऑक्साइड को. मतलब ही गेव ए गुड आइडिया एंड इट वाज सो अमेजिंग, आई फेल्ट. एंड ऑन दैट डे, आई डोंट नो, दिस वाज ऑलमोस्ट 3 वीक्स अगो, आई वाज जस्ट मेडिटेटिंग एंड आई जस्ट प्रेड कि ये क्या हो रहा है, ऐसे हो सकता है क्या लाइटनिंग से. एंड बिलीव मी, उस रात को, चाहे मेरे प्रेयर से हुआ है या स्पॉन्टेनियस है, देखो मैं तो अपने आप को मानता हूं कि सृष्टि का एक बहुत छोटा सा हिस्सा हूं, लेकिन मैं हिस्सा हूं, उसी का हिस्सा हूं, उसी से चलता हूं, उसी के हिसाब से चलता हूं. बट ऑन द सेम नाइट, 2 o'clock, 2 a.m., a sudden rush of air, followed by severe lightning, followed by terrible rain. Lightning continued for 2 hours, and in the morning 6 o'clock everything was silent. And when I came, I felt something energy in the field. I don't know what happened on the night, and this happened, I think, in Chandigarh couple of weeks ago. This is an ongoing experience. So what we are going to do is, we are going to do one pranayam. Then how to do pranayam we'll do. Then we'll suddenly explain you and go into the meditation. Then I will explain you the scientific basis of why this meditation I have brought. I remember last time we introduced a meditation called as let go meditation. That was also first time it was shown. And this meditation we are introducing for the first time. Though the pranayam which I am going to tell, that is a Brahmari pranayam, everybody knows about it. But this is something, a modified Brahmari pranayam, where, just see the demonstration. Because when we do meditation, I'm going to tell you to do the Brahmari pranayam, which we are going to do 5 times. Then before and after, whatever instruction will be there, which are there in my mind, I am going to tell and we do. And I want that after the meditation, kindly share your experience, the share box, because this is a new introduction, how you feel about that. But we have seen a lot of people are commenting on at least this Brahmari, so vibration sound. I'm going to tell the scientific after that. So what we have to do is just see first. You don't have to do it now. You have to sit straight with the spine erect. And these 5 fingers we have. And what we are going to do is below the lip, above the lip, the ring finger, the middle finger on the nose, but nose we are not closing. Eyes we are closing, and the index finger on the eyes. And the thumb, see this ear, there is a concha. We have to just close, and pressing this, we just close the ears. So this is the position we are going to take. And with the closed eyes, mouth closed, nose we have to breathe in very deeply without making sound. Then as you breathe out, not breathe out, once you take a long breathe in, then again you breathe in and do it. Of course, somebody has written a Shanmukhi Mudra. Shanmukhi Mudra is, we are doing this, we have to place a lock. Jalandhar Bandha we have to take, that is a Shanmukhi Mudra. But we are not going to do Shanmukhi Mudra today. The modified Brahmari Pranayam, because people, when we do Brahmari, people, normal Brahmari, we have to close and open the ears. But here we are not going to close and open the ears. We are going to keep it a closed one, because all the sound will be inside only. And we are going to put the finger like this. So what we are going to do is, I think everybody is clear about this, because once we start, we don't have to open our eyes. We will be of course telling the science behind the modification as well. Then when we close the this fingers and meditation, once the meditation starts, first 3-4 minutes there will be guided meditation. Then I will be telling you to do Bhramari pranayam along with me. We are going to do 5 times like this. Once we do 5 times like this, we are going to put our hand on the like this or like this and sit with the eyes closed, and we have to just feel the vibration whatever we are getting it. And I'm going to tell you to open the eyes. When I tell you to open the eyes, at that time you open. It may take 10 minutes, 15 minutes, but keep that way so that the meditation will be successful and you will get a good response also. So let us all sit comfortably and easily today with the eyes closed, back straight, shoulders relaxed, smile on your face. Breathe in normally and breathe out. Just give 100% today. Breathe in once again and breathe out. Keep your eyes closed, body relaxed. Breathe in once again with a smile. And breathe out with a smile. Relax your whole body. Breathe in once again. And as you breathe out, relax your shoulders, relax your neck, forehead, eyelids, cheeks, relax your face, keep a smile on your face. Become aware of any sounds in your surroundings. Just let go of all those sounds. Just become aware of those noises. Any kind of noise, somebody talking, fan in the kitchen, the sabji wala, everything is okay. Just become aware of all those sounds. Breathe in once again and let go. Breathe out. Now take the position for Bhramari. We are going to do 6 times, not 5 times. We will be doing 6 times along with me. Close your ears, keep it closed. Neck straight. Breathe in. Breathe in through the nose, keep the mouth closed. For the last time. Release your fingers. Bring your hand on the knees or in the lap. Keep your eyes closed. stay there. Just feel the vibration and the energy flowing in your head. Breathe in once again and breathe out. Let go of all your efforts. Breathe in once again. Slowly breathe out. Breathe in once again. As you breathe out, become aware of your body and the surroundings. अपने शरीर और वातावरण के प्रति सजग हो जाएं और मुस्कुराते हुए धीरे धीरे अपना समय लेते हुए आंखें खोल सकते हैं। So welcome back. See, this is simple humming meditation which we did after this humming bee technique, that is ये जो भौरे की आवाज में जो हमने ध्वनि निकाली है, इससे आपके शरीर में in your nasal passages and sinuses जो वाइब्रेशन होता है, जो कंपन होती है, उसको सोनिक वाइब्रेशन कहते हैं। हम इसको कान बंद करके ओपन क्लोज नहीं किया है, हमको सारा सोनिक वाइब्रेशन इंटरनलाइज करना है, हमारे साइनसेस में स्पंदन करना है। वी हैव टू वाइब्रेट द साइनसेस विद इन द साइनसेस एंड द पैरानेजल साइनसेस। और इस पैरानेजल साइनसेस में नाइट्रिक ऑक्साइड पूरे शरीर में सबसे अधिक बनता है। और जब हम ये सोनिक वाइब्रेशन करते हैं, रेगुलरली करते हैं, 2001 में अमेरिकन क्रिटिकल केयर रेस्पिरेटरी मेडिसिन और लास्ट ईयर भी एक इंडियन ओटोराइनोलॉजी के जर्नल में ये आया है। उन्होंने यहाँ के गैस कीमोल्यूमिनेसेंस टेस्ट से पता किया है, नाइट्रिक ऑक्साइड ब्रीदिंग में 15 फोल्ड बढ़ गया है, 15 फोल्ड इंक्रीज हो गया। You know, when it has increased 15 fold, what is so special about nitric oxide? Nitric oxide is a very amazing chemical which has got antimicrobial properties, antibacterial, antiviral, antiparasitic, number one. Number two, it prevents the platelet aggregation. जो प्लेटलेट एक दूसरे से जुड़ के क्लॉट बनता है, उसको भी वो रोकता है, एंटी क्लॉट प्रॉपर्टी। नंबर 3, जो ब्लड प्रेशर है हमारे पल्मोनरी आर्टरी का, उसको डिक्रीज करके स्टेबलाइज करता है। ये 3 प्रिंसिपल का बेसिस देखें। वो नाइट्रिक ऑक्साइड स्प्रे किया तो स्प्रे में वायरस मर गए। बट when we do this Brahmari, first we don't have to wait for the spray to come in the market. Second thing, we don't have to pay for it. Third thing is there is no patent, nothing. You just do it every day. But इसको करना कैसे है? जो कोविड से ग्रसित नहीं है उसको 6 टाइम्स करना है और छोड़ देना है। दिन में 4 बार करें, 4 टाइम्स। बट जो कोविड पॉजिटिव है वो 8 टाइम्स करें। 6 टाइम्स का सेट 4 टाइम्स। बट उसके बाद में वो जो ध्यान है, सुबह और शाम में एक 6-7 मिनट बैठ जाए। देखो आज हमने करीब 12 मिनट का ध्यान किया होगा, 11-12 मिनट, इतना काफी है उसके लिए, इसके लिए। तो ये करेंगे तो आपका क्या होगा, वायरस का लोड कम होगा, साइनसेस में जो अंदर इन्फ्लेमेशन है वो कम होगी, आपका क्लॉट फॉर्मेशन नहीं होगा, आपका पल्मोनरी आर्टरी प्रेशर स्टेबलाइज हो जाएगा। साइमल्टेनियसली जब प्राणायाम इसके साथ में जब दूसरे प्राणायाम जोड़ेंगे, हमारा ब्रेन सेल्स, ऑर्गन्स, टिश्यूज, एवरीथिंग विल गेट सेटल्ड जहां पॉजिटिविटी आ गया, कमिंग बैक टू दैट ट्राइंगल ऑफ द ब्रेन, इम्यून सिस्टम एंड एंडोक्राइन सिस्टम स्टेबलाइज हो गया, एंड द एम्परर इज वर्किंग. Respiratory system is the emperor, and this is the only thing which is in our hand. आप बीपी कैसे कंट्रोल करोगे? नहीं कंट्रोल करोगे. ऑटो हार्ट कैसे पंप करोगे? नहीं करोगे. यूरिन सिस्टम कैसे कंट्रोल करोगे? डाइजेशन सिस्टम वो ऑटोमेटिक सिस्टम है, लेकिन ब्रीदिंग आपके हाथ में है. दिस इज टेंजिबल, इट इज इन योर हैंड्स. हाउ यू डू, हाउ you control the breath, that is a pranayam. There are so many ways, but today one is Bhramari. I always tell Nadi Shodhan pranayam you should do, and number 3 Bhastrika और कपाल भारती, ये 4. और ये करने के बाद में जो ब्रीदिंग, डीप ब्रीदिंग करेंगे, एब्डोमिनल ब्रीदिंग हो गया, चेस्ट ब्रीदिंग हो गया, योगिक ब्रीदिंग हो गया, ये करें. इससे होगा क्या? आपका लंग के एक्सचेंज बेटर हो जाएंगे. योर chest will become more flexible, it becomes more powerful, vital capacity will increase, and all the system will start functioning normally. देखो breath इतना है, मुंह बंद कर लो, नाक बंद कर लो 3 मिनट, आप पहले देखो फिर पता क्या होता है. आप 1 मिनट भी नहीं बंद कर पाओगे, पूरा सिस्टम फेलियर हो जाता है. एवरी सिस्टम विल स्टार्ट फेलिंग. सो ये आप रेगुलरली करेंगे. आई थिंक मैंने जो कहना था इतना संक्षिप्त में पूरा सारा बता दिया है. अगर बहुत सारा बताएंगे तो कंफ्यूजन होगा, और मैं ये नहीं चाहता हूं कि आप पूरे दिन सुबह उठ के गार्गल करें, फिर हल्दी खाएं, फिर प्राणायाम करें, फिर बिलोआ खाएं, फिर ये खाओ. पूरे दिन इसी में लगना नहीं है, ये नहीं. आपको सुबह 1 घंटा, सवा घंटा लगाएंगे, शाम को आधा घंटा लगाएंगे, यू आर थ्रू. साइमल्टेनियसली मास्क सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट है. मैं हमेशा कहता हूं, हमारे जीवन में मास्क जब आया है, हमको 3 इडियट्स पिक्चर के बारे में दोबारा पता चला. मैंने पहले भी एग्जांपल दिया. पहला इडियट है जो मास्क नहीं पहनता है, दूसरा इडियट है जो मास्क पहनता है नाक के नीचे, और तीसरा सबसे इडियट है जब फोन आता है ना, वो मास्क नीचे कर लेता है. हेलो, जैसे वो कान यहाँ पे है, कुछ नहीं, ये नाक के हिस्से से ऊपर से बंद करें. आजकल तो डबल मास्क पहनिए और मस्त रहिए, खुश रहिए. विद दो स्मॉल थिंग्स, आई थैंक द ऑर्गेनाइजर